Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to use LS-DYNA and LS-prepost software. Basically, LS-DYNA is a solver where we can only solve the problems. So before the solving process, we need to make pre-processing activities, and after solving, we need to perform post-processing activities. For that purpose, we have software called LS-prepost. So I'll open the LS-prepost. Okay, the shaded blue background called graphical window, where we can perform all the analysis and pre-processing activities, where we can see geometry, mesh and post-processing results, everything in the graphics window. So here you can see the software version, like it is version 4.12.6, version 2025 revision 1. Let's explore the user interface. So this is the menu, we call it as home pull down menu. So each options will have multiple pull down options, so we call it as a pull down menu. In the file option we can have a new file with the option called new, and we can open the existing file. Like the binary file means it is a binary plot, means the output file. The keyword file is a mesh file, and binary plus 3 plot is a combination of input and output files. So we can import open the command file as well, and we can open the geometry files like IGS format in STEP format and Nastran file as well. So this is open means the file we opened will be in the edit mode. If we don't want to edit the file which we are opening, means we can use option called import. Coming to import option, where original file will not be edited, instead of that new copy will be saved. So where we can import LS-DYNA keyword file, Nastran file, and also the CAD geometries like IGS, STEP files as well. Also we can import the recent files also, and we can save the file from previously saved file, or if you want to save as a new file, you can use save as option and save as keyword. And we can, after finishing the pre-processing activities, we can run the LS-DYNA with this option. So that's on the files option. In the views option, we can make it the full screen view. We can press exit to exit from the full screen view, and I'll make it a full screen. And also we can change the plain background as a plain fade or dia fade, whatever the thing you want. Also you can have your image in the background. And geometry shade, the geometry shade, how you would like to watch your geometries, you can make it here. The element shade also you can adjust from here, and by selecting these elements geometry, you can see only elements or only geometry mode from here. So that's all here. And geometry, by using this option, we can create geometries, reference axis, plane, and coordinate systems can be created by using these options. And the curves, points, lines, circle, everything can be created using this option. Like for example, if I wanted to create a circle with a radius of 10, that means, yeah, we have created a circle of 10 mm. So I'll open the reference file. Yeah, now the file has opened. So now we need to learn the mouse control. For mouse control, to rotate the object, we need to press shift plus the mouse button. First we need to select origin and make left click and then press shift button, and then you can move your mouse to rotate. Yeah, like this. Okay, middle mouse button and shift to pan the objects wherever you want to move. For zoom in and zoom out, we have two options. First one, for zoom in, shift plus scroll button up. By using this option we can zoom in. Also we can zoom in by using shift plus right mouse button moving towards downside. Also zoom out can be done by using shift plus scroll button down. So if you want to see just outer layer of the mesh, you have to press control button instead of shift button with the right mouse button. That's all with the mouse and keyboard controls. If I wanted to create a surface like a cylindrical shape, means we can input details like angle, length. We can adjust from here, as well as here also. We wanted to create a cylinder like this, means just click apply and have the cylinder's cylindrical surface. So I don't need this surface right now, so I'll select and make delete. And you can create a solid standard solid shape as well. Or if I wanted to create a cube shape, means you can create. So the origin is 0 0 1 2 3. If I wanted to change the dimension also, you can adjust it here. And yeah, you can do the geometry edit activities by using these tools. For FEM also you can generate a standard shapes meshes from here, like box, solid, or if you want to create a shell mesh or a cylindrical shell solid, you can generate all those standard type of mesh by using these options. Right, so I don't need this cylindrical shell right now, so I'll make select and make delete. And so we can do auto mesh, solid mesher, block mesher. There we have multiple meshing options under this element and mesh options. So that model and part where we'll have multiple keywords like load commands and multiple options will be available with this tool. I will explain about this tool in the upcoming videos. So we'll have element tools, like we can identify the element node or geometry with this with the ID number. You can create a copy, you can offset, you can transform, you can fix your normals, and you can do multiple element tools by using these options. These are the post-processing tools. We can make for application. So these are the special purpose application tools, like for you can use it for occupant safety, metal forming, model checking, or NVH you can done with by using these options. So that's all in the pull down menu. So we'll go to the main command menu. So these are the main command menu. You can know the name of the tool by just keeping the cursor on the tool icon. So this is a reference geometry. You'll have a multiple options, like you can create those reference axis or plane or coordinate systems reference points by using this option. So this is curve. You'll have multiple options to create a curve, like points, lines, curve, circle, curve. And you'll have a multiple options to create a curve by using this icon. And we'll have a surface option. So basically we have seen these options in the geometry panel. And solid, this is solid geometry tools and meshing. So these are the options we have seen within this pull down menu, and also here it has icons as well. So now we are done with the main command menu. Now let's go to the view toolbar. So this is the toolbar, we call it as view toolbar. So by using these options we can optimize our visualization in the model. Yeah, display option and shaded element method. If we do this means we will see the transparent view of the mesh. If we don't want to see transparent means we have to switch it to the shaded element mode, and this is the mesh on off. If you don't want to see the mesh interference line, we have to unselect it. If you want to see, we have to select it. By choosing this option we can see the shrunken element method, where we can see splitted element view. And if I wanted to see a intersection means we can view this option. So by using this option we can see the intersectional view. You can change the axis as well. You can see change the axis as well, normal to X or Y or Z or COG, whatever the thing you want, you can do that. Yeah, and for post processing these options will be used. For auto center you will use this option, zoom in, zoom out, and some of the basic things will be available here. And this is what we call as message dialog box. So it will have all the operation we did earlier. We can read it here. And this is what we called it as model tree, where we'll have a detailed description about the mesh or geometry we have in our graphics window. It contains all the entities we have in our model, like material, mesh element, geometry, everything will be there in the. I hope this video is very much useful for you. If you love my video, please make a like, and if you have any doubt, make a comment. And if you think this video will be helpful for someone, please share to them, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.